always thought you were the best. I guess I'd always will. I always felt you were the bliss, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I want it to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes it gave an helping hand, sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we were together and made a dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I want it to be you. Someone to understand me and knows me inside out, and helps me keep together, believe without a doubt. If I could move the mountain, someone to tell it to. If I have only one friend